All right, in this video clip, I'm going to show you the uh, the way to create your TV promotional for the Oscars. But let me show you something, a little tip here. Once you download your videos, right, from the actual project folder that I left for you guys, right, these, and you upload them to your Google Drive, I believe it already goes to your Google Drive. If it goes to your Chromebook, I'm not sure if it's going to the actual Chromebook and to your Google Drive, but just in case it does, you can do this. You can go to Import and then click down here. So since I don't have a student Chromebook to check, let me log in. You have to log into your account. See, I have Oscars projects and I have them there in my Google Drive. So that's one way to grab the files. The other way is the way you've been doing it, right? You download them off the folder, then you upload them from your computer. You can do it that way. Either way, it doesn't matter, as long as you're importing your project files in there. So I'm going to do it this way since I have my Google Drive. Go to Oscars projects. See, these are all the Oscars project files. So what I'm going to start off with is the music. So you have to decide which song you're going to use. Remember, the song that's used for the promo is, oops, sorry. Oh, it doesn't play. It's going to download. It's that song, that one song that's being played here. Let me go to here. Let me go click here. Date uploaded. So here's a trick. You can do date uploaded, and it shows you the latest videos that you're uploading. So you can see it's uploading the Oscars. So if you get this, that means it's uploading still. It's still fetching it from an external service, which is Google Drive. So give it time. So this is the actual promotional from the Oscars. So you hear that's the song.
The whole world is watching.
Right? That's the song. So I'm going to import the song. I'm going to click import, browse to select. And the song is totally up to you. Sorry, I have it in my Google Drive, so I have to go here. It's totally up to you which one you're going to use. So let's go to the Oscars promo music. Remember, you have the awards theme one you can go with, or you can go with the actual official song. So there it is. I'm going to select it. And I already had edited for you. Remember, before I mentioned that I just imported the song into a folder, the whole song, the 3-minute song or something, 3 minutes, 20 seconds. It's been condensed to 1 minute. So I edited down, and the way the Oscars did it, they edited the song, they added cuts and pieces, and they made it all 1 minute. I did the same thing. So it's all here. So what you're going to do first, I highly suggest, since it's the only thing the music is not anything you're going to edit other than just dropping it in, put that first. There, and it should be at the minute mark. There it is right there. So see? And then, again, with WeVideo, it does come in really loud. I'm going to go to about 70%. It doesn't really make a difference, right? So, right there. So there I did one. Now, I'm going to start with adding my clips. So you can see, I already looked at the folder and which clips I'm going to use, and I'm going to add those in there. So you can see I'm going with like a theme with Halle Berry thanking. I'm going to add another one here from, let's see, Oscars classic. I would suggest that you guys put a classic one in there from the old Oscars. So I'm going to put hers in there. Oh, here's one thing. This is what I forgot to show you. Instead of doing this where you have to drag the video down all the way and see it has this entire clip, you're not going to use the entire clip, right? Edit it from up here. Click on it, and then right here, look at, see these things? You can edit it from there. So I'm going to click play. I'm just going to get the part where they announced the winner, right? Right here.
Halle Berry and Monsters Ball.
Okay, let me see. Well, I didn't get the...
And the Oscar goes to?
Yes. So I'm just going to use that part. And the Oscar goes to, right? See that right there? Once I have it selected, now I'm going to drag it. Seeing how small it is now? It's not the entire clip. So I'm going to see how that looks.
And the Oscar goes to?
So you notice that since I'm using audio, I'm going to make sure that this is the music it comes in low as he's saying that. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to click this right about there. Click that, and then click there, and then put the music back up. Right?
And the Oscar goes to.
So right there, the Oscar goes to. That's all I'm going to use. So it's going to go right there.
And the Oscar goes to.
I don't want any dead space, dead sound.
Goes to.
See, and goes to. So actually, I'm going to move this over here like this. There.
And the Oscar goes to.
And then the next one. Let's see if I find another one. Maybe.
Are the nominees for actress in leading role?
Maybe show somebody smiling. I don't know. Let me see. I like that. I like the little girl doing that. So I'm going to do this, right? Smiling. She's saying, yeah, she's strong power. So I'm going to drag that in there. I'm using different clips. I'm not using the clips from the actual ones that I left you because I don't want you guys doing what I do. Because I notice when I do these tutorials, you guys do the same thing. You use the same clips and everything. So only this one's available. These other ones I don't believe are available. So see, I like how she's doing that. And I'm only going to keep it to like maybe a 1 second at the most.
And the Oscar goes to.
And remember to pull down the audio on these. Okay, we don't need the audio on the clips that do not have audio. See that one? I'm going to include a clip from here too. Oh, I don't like that Sky Cinema. I gotta keep that out. You know what? I want my commercial to open up with this. So I'm gonna show the opening instead. So I'm gonna drag these out a little bit this way, and I'm gonna show it opening. And I'll show you how to clip that out if some of your videos have that. Okay, so I put it on top, video channel 2, and then I'm gonna squeeze it in there like this. See, I like how it's opening like that. I'm going to drag it in there. And then remember, no audio, because I don't need audio on it. And this one, since I changed it, I'm going to put it back. Then this is where I'm going to lower it down. Click there. Right? And then click up again. See, that's a little too much. 1 second should be good. 1 second. And then I know you're gonna play with it like this, and I'm gonna move it over. Actually, I should just wait to edit it, but some people wait to do it, like they're editing the audio out later. Others like to do it on the spot, like I do, as you guys seen. So I'm gonna double click this, and I'm gonna crop out that Sky Cinema by simply doing this. Okay. You lose a little quality when you enlarge it, but it's all we have, guys. It's all we have as far as the video. So, all right.
And the Oscar goes to.
See that? I like the way it's starting so far. It's showing the Oscars. I hear a little audio in there coming in. Anyway. And actually, I should use a transition at the start. Just a little small transition. I'm going to put that. Oh, it's not letting me. Yeah, it's okay.
And the Oscar goes to.
And then let me see my other theme here. I'll go to My Media. I'm going to choose another clip. Maybe from the classics as well. Let me scroll through here and see what they're.
One of the biggest box office.
Let me show some. I'm going to maybe show some more of the theater. Let me see if there's one of the. There's one called Atmosphere in your folder where you can get some of the theater of the crowd. But see, this is where you're going to have to build yours. I didn't ask for a script because of the time, and we have a spring break, so that cut into the script. So you're going to have to script it as you play along. So see, these are the videos from the actual movies this year. So I'm going to include one in here from the father. Let's see. So since this is a happy theme I'm going with, let me see if I can find anybody smiling in this one. Right there, see? But he's talking. I don't want to use any that are talking. How about this one where he's walking? Or right there where they're happy, right? Hi, how are you? I know they're talking, but at least the handshake is what I want. See, smiling. Okay, cool. Put that right in there. I'm going with the happy theme. I'm going to take off my volume. See, he's smiling, so I can use that smiling part where he's smiling. Right. And then, I don't want to use both. Should I use the smiling one there? Or you see how an editor, you have to think what would be great to use here? What would be best? Him smiling or him handshake? I mean, either one you're good to go with. So since she's smiling, maybe he's looking at her and he's smiling too, right? I think I'll use that and I'll cut it right there as soon as it goes to the next screen, right there. Cut. And then let's see, and then volume down. Remember, we don't need the volume because we're not using it. Okay, good. Let's go back.
And the Oscar goes to.
See, okay, so I'm going with the happy theme. Now I'm going to go choose more, maybe Halle Berry, where she's smiling. Let's see. She's all happy. Let me see. Maybe at the end where she says thank you or something, right? Or maybe right here where the Oscar goes to, and then
This is.
let me see. Maybe I can continue that part.
Halle Berry and Monster.
Right? Halle Berry. That's a great reaction. That's what you want. You want that emotion. Oh, that's a long clip. Let's see what it sounds like.
Halle Berry and Monster.
Okay, how about when
Halle Berry and Monster.
Halle Berry, right? I'll cut that part out. Let me move that over. And then let me fade that out a little bit with maybe a half a second, 0.5. And then let me, since I have the clip down here already, I'm going to use the part where they show her all excited. See, even though it started right there, see, I want that. And then show about a little bit right there like that. I love Halle Berry. And then I'll mute this part right here. So let's see.
And the Oscar goes to Halle Berry, Monster.
Oh, what happened? I thought it was muted. See how, that's why I said to mute him. Oh, how that happened. Look at that. It keeps going to, there. That was weird.
Halle Berry, Monster.
See, you can see where she said, oh my God. And here, you can, I'm going to do it just a little fade in, 0.5. It's 0.05. 0.05. All right, here we go.
Halle Berry, Monster.
See? She's all happy, right? And then go back and then grab another scene. Maybe another happy scene. So you can go to movement. As long as there's movement, keep the movement going. Oh, I like that. That little bit. Put that in there. See how I edit it from here? Once I click here, edit from here, and now I'm going to click it down like that. Right? And let's see. Oh, gotta mute it. God, I keep forgetting to do that. That's a little too slow. I'm going to have it right for about a second. So see these clips? You have to keep them. And then I'm going to try another clip here. So I'm doing audio, right? Audio here, no audio, no audio, audio, no audio, no audio, then audio. Maybe I'll add an audio here. So every other clip or so, I'm adding audio. So let me go back here.
This is not the. We're here to present two. Okay. I'm just. You see, my friends here and technicians of actor. Now, do be quiet. You see, my friends here are. It is you are.
Now do be quiet. Of course, I'm just as excited as you are. Now do be
I like
quiet.
that. I'm just as excited as you are. Maybe I'll use that little clip.
I'm just as excited as you are.
See, right there. I'll do that. Grab that one in there. And then I'm going to pull the volume up on this because it's an older clip and it doesn't have, it's not as the highest quality as you can see. And then I'm going to mute, this is where the music has to come down, remember, because you're hearing them. I'm going to mute it down. Remember to stay consistent. If you do this to the others, make sure you do this to this one, make sure they're the same. Even here too, I should go down to 22%. Around there, 22, 24. Keep it even.
I'm just as excited as you are.
See right there, right? And then I can actually move that up. I don't know why I thought it was way over there. Go like that. Like that.
I'm just as excited as you are.
And then show more, right? So excited, and then maybe show another clip from another movie, right? The movies that are nominated this year. Remember, you have to have at least 4 of those movies from those trailers that I sent you. Oh, and don't forget your these things here. These you have to add them in there. See how they added it in? See, in times like this, ours is different though. And in the next clip, I'll show you how to do that. This ends part 1 of the video for the Oscars.